I'm so freaking excited to start this transformation. I came across this girl, Stefanie Schoen, and she has very interesting pattern making tutorial using masking tape and a mannequin. I wrapped my mannequin in tissue paper and masking tape, then I drew a pattern I liked, and then I cut those pieces right off the mannequin of the tape, traced around them, and that's where my pieces came from. The front lower part of this shirt, I didn't cut apart these pieces because they're overlapping, and I'm just going to sew a vertical line here, like a diagonal, and that'll make the pieces the shape they're supposed to be. So now that this piece is done, I'm going to attach these seams. I'm just going to serge around this entire big bottom piece so I don't have to deal with the edges fraying. Bottom's all sewn together. Now we're going to sew the top portion together. It wasn't working out for me, so I looked back at my masking tape pattern and I cut it right here, and then I cut out new pieces, and then it seemed to just be a way better fit. After that was all a big band and I serged around that, then I just put this piece on top of that one, right sides together, and sewed the whole thing together. I was hoping that I wouldn't have to, but I have to. I have to make a liner for the top portion of the top, so I'm using this material, and now I'm just going to sew it together the exact way that I sewed the outside of it. Then I'm going to sew them right sides together and top stitch it down, and that's going to be how I finish my edge. This is an invisible zipper foot. There's a groove on the bottom to go on top of the zipper, and it just sews it super straight. I put my zipper in by putting the right sides together, did one side of the zipper, did the zipper up, and I did right sides together, and then I did the other side of the zipper, and then I top stitched it. Here is the finished tube top. Just kidding, we're gonna add the straps now. I found another piece of material to use as lining, and then I sewed around the shape and turned it right side out and top stitched it, and then it was time to add these hook and eyes. I added 2 of them, and that's just to secure the straps together because that's part of my design. Here's kind of like so you can envision it. Here's where the shoulders will be. This is where the head's going to be, that's the hair, and these are the arms. Try the shirt on and pin the straps exactly where you want them. Take it off and just sew them down. Thanks for watching, that's the end of my video. I hope you liked it. If you did and you want to see more, please subscribe. See you later, alligator.